Is with a draw, painting with wine, taste the wine. I think is enjoy activity. Hello, my name is Marta Arano. I live in San Esteban Serrubiras and I have an art studio and I painting with wine.
Hello, Marta. Please tell us about your experience here at Luxury Connections Barcelona 2026.
Well, I am very happy. Today, my experience it was painting with wine. Um, a short experience, but I think enjoy it.
This is an interesting experience, painting with wine, and I realized that your workshops were full of the time, all the time. I think that people is really interesting about this experience. How is it to paint with wine?
Yes, when we paint with wine is a different sorry, a different thing to remember a wine, our culture, a Catalan wine. Okay, is with a draw, painting with wine, taste the wine. I think is enjoy activity.
How long it takes to do a painting with wine?
How long? The normal 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, but today only 15 minutes. It's a very, very short experience.
And tell us about your value proposition, your business. How is it?
Yes, this experience is for an enterprise, for a family, child. It's possible painting with wine around of Catalonia in my art studio in your country if you want. So it's a different thing.
So you could even be hired and fly to any country and do a workshop or to
Yes,
teach
yes,
teach people to paint
yes.
with wine.
I go when you want.
And your profile of customers, tell us something about the profile of your clients.
Yes, it's possible enterprise, it's possible team building, it's possible for a child, for families, a different type of workshops.
And are you looking for new kind of clients, new prospects from any part of the world?
Perhaps in Madrid, perhaps Bilbao. I don't know. Perhaps
Internationally, maybe?
no. Ya me gustaría.
Or you would like to? Okay, maybe it's time to start
Thank you
globally.
very much.